And looks like I'm back after I took a break from all this crap. And, yeah. And I am also back too. Oh, jeez. I was taking a break as well. Yeah, Mario and I got embarrassed about what happened in the last episode, or to a previous episode? I don't know. Yeah, it was like that before. We regret watching Rosie's Rules because, yeah. So, Ground Shark decided to fill me in, but it was only one episode. That was not much until I came back. Yeah. Plus, it didn't even make any new racing videos for some apparent reason. Looks like Manassas was busy or something. Or making some other video skits. Like, yeah. Yeah. But guess what? I'm back and I'm done taking a break, so I'm still gonna have to do this because this is the current Friends Rages series. Well, we're in series 2 right now, and it may be a little awkward when Ground Shark filled me in for the one episode for some reason. So, yeah. Oh well. Let's just forget about it. Since I'm back, we're back. Anyways, yeah. Okay. Anyways, I have along with Mario. It's me, Mario. Pikachu and little Pikachu. Hey there, Pikachu here. Hello, Pikachu. So the police wolf. Hey guys, are here. Ground Shark. Hey guys, Ground Shark here. Guardian. Hey everybody, it's me, Guardian. The Flash. Hey guys, it's me, Flash. Thomas 2.0. Hey guys, it's me, Thomas 2.0. Ugh, I'm the nice guy who hates Elinor. Yeah. Ice Charger. Hey everybody, it's me, Ice Charger. Quick and Sick. Hey guys, Quick and Sick here. Oh, Grandpa Pig. Hey guys, Grandpa Pig here. The Block Car, or something. Hey everybody, it's me, the Lego Block Car, or something, whatever I named. Mac. Hey guys, it's me, Mac. And Big Bang. Hey guys, it's me, Big Bang. So today we're gonna be preparing to rage at. Oh my god, I almost wonder why. Yeah, we're still raging at. I almost wonder why in those crappy songs. Whatever, just. Yep. Block, you are about to see us rage at. I almost wonder why. It's one of the worst. It's one of the worst. Yeah? What? Jeez, I'm so excited if this show is so bad or not. Well, it's gonna be so bad. Just watch and learn, Block. Watch and learn or something. Watch and learn. Sorry. Okay, anyways, and this episode we're raging at is these sneezes. Ugh, some sort of COVID-19 episode or whatever. So, yeah. Anyways, let's do this, and Manassas will be here to press some buttons, if they can. Hey kids, Manassas here. Yep. Well, Kourai, it's good to be back. Yep, it's good to be back as me. And Mario, too. Yep. Yeah, I missed you so much when you're gone. It's kind of weird when you're not here. Yeah, same as the choice. Yeah. Okay, can we begin this raging video already? Oh yeah. Okay, everybody, let's do this. Alright. Okay, I'm ready. Manassas, will you do the honors? Well, most definitely. Why am I doing this?
These sneezes.
Okay.
Ari, why are you jumping around so much? It's such a nice day. I just want to run and play. Woohoo!
Oh dear.
Helping Ranger Rabbit plant flowers in the park today. Yeah, me too. And now we have these extra flowers that we can plant around our exploring clubhouse.
Oh
That was
jeez.
super fun. But we don't have to go plant them right now, do we? I guess not. Why? Because
Why would you ask that?
we could play a game of tag right now. That would be fun.
Oh jeez, Ari is so annoying. I know, right? Is Ari the bad name? Who named? Yep, he. Bruh, are you cheating? Okay, that's just stupid. What the?
Are you okay, Olive? Yeah. Well, in that case, tag, you're it.
Uh-oh, looks like Olive. Oh! Ah! You got the COVID-19, bruh.
Uh-oh. Whoa, Olive! Stop that wagon! Achoo!
Bruh.
Oh, sneezing elephant coming through! Sorry.
Bruh.
Hi, Mary.
Ew.
Sorry about that, Mrs. Hippo. Oh no!
You're going to the pie. Come on, aw, man.
You almost ran on.
I wish.
Yeah, that was quite a ride.
Or was it?
Those were some huge sneezes. Uh-huh. I've always had a strong trunk.
You gotta be kidding me now.
Oh, it stopped. I don't feel like sneezing anymore.
You don't have a COVID-19 in it? Oh no, here we go again.
All of a sudden, my nose got tickly, and I started sneezing a lot.
For no apparent
Did a
reason.
bug land on your nose? That maybe made you sneeze.
No, you just sniffed the flower.
Something made you sneeze.
Oh
And mine get
jeez.
tickly too before I sneeze. I wonder why that happens.
Please don't.
What makes us sneeze?
Oh
How are we
no.
gonna find out?
Oh no.
I know. Let's learn everything.
No,
we can
please don't say the catchphrases, please.
Is there anything in your nature book about it?
If you say the catchphrases, I'm gonna be so annoyed. I mean,
No. Nope. Nothing about sneezing in it. Where else can we find out about sneezing?
I
How
don't
about the
know.
library? Yes, the library. Good idea, Ari. Let's go. Cool.
I thought you were gonna say we need more observations. Huh? You know. Well, I don't think it won't happen. Okay. Because, you know, Block, every time Elinor keeps saying, we need more observations! Every time. It's kind of disturb us. Well, it's kind of embarrassing to hear it because this is just a looped episode. And it's kind of traumatized. Oh, well, that's a problem. Yeah, she says every episode, or maybe not, or sometimes. It's kind of embarrassing to hear it. Really? Now I understand. I guess this show is broken. Yeah, I know, right? Lol. Jeez.
Hi, Mr. Antelope.
Well, hello, Elinor, Olive, and...
Ari.
Wait, don't tell me. I can remember.
Mama, it's the Artie, you little... Oh my god, you stupid little horn guy. You're pathetic.
I'm just joking, Arnold. Of course I remember you. It's Ari. Right, Ari.
Stop joking around, you
Here to
idiot.
learn everything we can about sneezing.
Ah, sneeze.
No. It's so
Stop
much to
joking
sneeze
around,
fast.
damn it.
Today Olive started sneezing a lot, and it nearly made our wagon roll into the pond.
For no reason.
Mr. Antelope, if we can learn what makes animals sneeze, then we can find out what made Olive sneeze.
I see.
Oh, jeez.
Sneezing is a fascinating subject. I can definitely help you choose the right book. Get it? Choose?
That's just a lame joke.
Let's see. Oh, good. The book I'm thinking of hasn't been checked out for quite a while. In fact, that means it's on the shelf. Walk this way, please.
Oh, jeez.
Here we go. Books about parts of the body. The one you want is called All About Noses. It should tell you about sneezing.
Thanks, Mr. Antelope.
You're welcome.
You're
If you have
not
any questions,
welcome.
I'll be at my desk.
Whatever. I don't give a damn anyways.
Here it is. All about noses. It really hasn't been checked out in a while.
Because it was old since 1975. Oh, look what you've done. Ah! Okay. Whoa. Ah! Oh, dear God. Ah! Yep, you got the COVID-19.
I sneezed so hard I thought my nose blew off.
For no reason. Wait, what?
This time.
Oh, no. Ah! Oh, my God, the cat. The cat phrases. Ah, see what I mean? She says that it's so interesting all the time. It's getting embarrassing. So this is why he wonders everything. Shouldn't he just forget everything? Just forget some fucking questions? She won't be able to be forgetted. She won't forget it. She wonders everything because those three scientist idiots keeps wandering all around that makes no sense. Yeah, true. If you ever watch those three furry idiots, don't even tell me, because they're worthless.
We now blew some dust on Elinor. Sorry, didn't mean to blow so hard. That made me
Jesus.
sneeze and blow dust on you, Olive. And that's when you sneezed and blew dust on me. And then I sneezed, which blew some dust on Kourai. And then I sneezed and almost lost my nose, but didn't.
Do you always lost your
That's
nose?
it.
Oh, dear God.
It must have been the dust that made us sneeze.
Jeez.
But I'm touching it now, and it's not making me sneeze. Me neither.
Can you get it off? Ah! Okay, you did. Oh, you did it.
Kourai, you figured it out. You sneezed.
For no reason.
You're right. I always knew I had a nose for figuring
Ah,
it out.
that's just a lame joke, you
Let's tell
idiots.
Mr. Antelope what we learned.
Whatever.
Hi.
The Sneeze Squad returns. Did you find the answer you were looking for?
Yep, we figured out why
The
we
answer is
sneeze, Mr. Antelope.
negative.
We sneeze when dust gets in our noses.
That's good thinking, Elinor. Here, let me show you. This is a drawing of a dog's nose and what the inside looks like.
Oh?
Lots of animals like rabbits, bats, and elephants have noses like this,
Really?
and they all work in pretty much the same way. When little things like dust get in your nose, they make it feel all tickly inside. That's your body's way of saying, I don't like this dust in here. So to get it
You're
out,
like a kid
your body
now.
blows it out with a big gush of air. That's what a sneeze is.
Oh, it's something the body
Creepy.
does all by itself.
That's right. To keep us safe and healthy with clean noses.
Whoa.
You're
sneezing's
right.
pretty cool.
I don't have a nose either. I just have a
Dust made us
friggin'
sneeze here in the library. But I don't remember there being
uh.
dust in the park when Olive sneezed in the wagon.
Oh.
Well, dust isn't the only thing that can tickle your nose and make you sneeze. Other things can as well.
That makes sense.
Oh, jeez. That doesn't make no sense at all.
It says here that dust, getting a cold, and pollen can all make you sneeze.
Uh,
wait a minute.
For no reason.
Pollen is the little powdery stuff that's in flowers.
You're right.
Wait a minute.
Oh, no.
Flowers, come on.
Oh, jeez.
There wasn't any dust on the wagon, but there were
No, don't that. Oh, look what you've done.
Where's the flower that made me sneeze? I can see the pollen on your nose.
I'm.
We did it! We figured out what made Olive sneeze.
I don't.
And
We did it.
wow,
We didn't.
when little things
We
like
did
dust and
not
pollen get in
did
your
it.
nose, your body tries to blow them out. And that's a sneeze.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh no, 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 don't touch that. No! Hey guys, Evil Gesture Bo here, and I'm sorry about what happened earlier. It's just that Kourai and his friends got crazy over this song again. It's about some sort of sneezing, like that bugger or something, and I have no idea why they are investigating sneezing, but yeah, that's kind of embarrassing. So, whatever. We're experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by while we fix the situation and enjoy some music. Jeez. Another technical difficulties. Great. Yeah, great indeed. Sorry about what happened earlier. It's just that we were going crazy over the song and that was embarrassing actually. You're my right. Oh great, looks like you're gonna rage quit, right? Take my teething! Dead. Oh great. Looks like I charger. Yes. Rage quit it anyways. Oh great. Whatever, let's just finish up this raging video. Well, that was something. Manassas, what are you doing on Earth? Stop. Finish this crap. Okay. It's not funny.
Well done, little scientists.
Thanks for helping solve our sneeze mystery, Mr. Antelope.
You got it. And thank you for for choosing your local library.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, it's time to take these flowers to our exploring clubhouse.
Whatever.
I'll just stay a little bit behind these flowers.
It's not funny anyways. Who cares about your stupid segment? Yep. Sneezy is not true at all. Jesus Christ. I don't understand this bullcrap. But nothing. Whatever. Yeah, that episode was kind of stupid. I have no idea why Elinor has to investigate some sneezy dustering. It's kind of a embarrassing way to chew. Meh, whatever. Yeah. Remember, kids, don't listen to Elinor's advice. He has cringy and, well, it has stupid examples. Just don't. Yeah, I guess sneezing is not even a choice. But whatever. Oh my god, who cares? I don't know. Well, I guess that's it for Raging It. I just wonder why, and it was kind of embarrassing. I have no idea what's going on, but those idiots needs to stop. Yeah, really. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and yep, it's good to be back here. Even Mario too. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and I kind of wish we have a long time for this piece of crap. And stay tuned for more current Friends Rages series 2, I guess. And subscribe to Manasseh so he needs more subscribers. Not the only way to subscribe, but yeah. Not that part of the show. I made it. I mean, okay, why am I doing this? And also, do not subscribe to Thomas Topino and Gordon Topino, because they're idiots. Yeah, please don't. And remember, Kourai and his friends are watching you. So, yeah. Yeah. Well, that's all we had to gotta say. And thanks for watching. And Brian, if you're watching us, stop making videos. And you are a COVID-19. Well, thanks for watching. And it's Friday, so happy Friday, everybody.